22. I don't have with me, of course. These are big shiners, though. They should hit a red worm on a, and they are hitting it. Oh, that's a bluegill, though. Oh, that's a bluegill. I could probably get something on my, it's probably an excellent place to throw my bug. Oh, there they are. I just filmed the spinner until the shiners came back, but they are now back. I don't know what they are. I'm not really even sure what's in this part of the state, but I'm pretty sure whatever I've got on my Tuxedo is not big enough for them. There's a ton of them down there. There we go. Oh, it's a freaking bluegill. You freaking gotta be kidding me. Seriously? Last shot at this hole. Oh, there's a line knot on this pole as well. Wonderful. Let's see what's down there that'll eat a worm. See if that works. It does. But there's a lot of messed up hardware in their face. And look what it is, what it is, what it is. It's a stone roller. Is it? No, it's a shiner of some kind. Common, I hope. But most likely a striped. There it is. Let me go put it in the... Well, no, you know what? I'm not going to run over there. It's like yellow. These are the shiners I was looking for. Yep. Them be them. They would not... I'm trying to help you. They would not hit this when it was being held up by the lack of weight. Wow, he took that sucker down. I knew those shiners were big enough to grab a red worm. I didn't know they were big enough to do that kind of... Oh, green sunfish. Look at that. Thingamajig. All right, well, this is where it's at, I guess. It's interesting how they took the bobber weight off. That weight's the bottom of the bobber. The bobber does not sit right. I've had a number of fishing hours, a few fishing hours without much to show, so I'm liking the action. Ooh, that's a nice runner, and it's another bluegill. All right, as soon as this bait's gone, and I think it is now. Yeah, interesting. Still got a little worm on it. I thought he took it all. Oh. And the worm was... No, that's all bluegill right there. We'll go check the rocks over there. And that's another bluegill. Alright, that's enough of this. Nice colors. Alright, on to the next spot. As I was walking, I spooked something right behind this rock. So I'm going to give it a shot here. Got it. Oh, and I'm on the rock. Really? For crying out loud. Seriously. Alright, my most promising spot yet. It's got a million shiners all over the place, and what I see is a lot of darters and sculpins. Question is, will they bite worms? And can I hook them? There's one right here. Put no bait right in his face. His face is kind of... His nose is kind of... The shiner just came out and just body slammed him and it spooked him. But I'm on him. His new little haunt. He's pretty big size. And he did not like it. He scooted again. Only a few inches away. It's like, there is a million fish here. I don't know if I can get a darter to bite, but it will not be for lack of targets. Well, he's moving away. Doesn't like it. Doesn't want it. if he's... No, he's just trying... I gotta get bugs. I found a little larva bug under a rock, so let's see if he wants that. Come on, that is exactly the kind of bug that I've had darters eat before that won't eat worms. All right. Oh yeah, oh, he's moving on it. He wants it. Dropped it in front of his face. One little move. Got it. Yes! Yes! Bugs are the answer, man. Bugs are the answer. Oh yeah, they got red on him. He's got red on him. I think he's a red lion or a red... He's got red. He's a red. Oh, he's a red fox. Oh my gosh, I see one of the most beautiful darters I've ever seen. It's big, it's dark, it's red and striped. It is so beautiful. Oh, he's in between some rocks. I gotta get him. Oh my gosh. Got another bug from the same rock. Oh, but I can't see his mouth. Let me get behind him. That is oh wow, it's like he's on fire. Sounded like Kevin from The Office. Oh my, look at, I wish you could see what I could see right now. And he's right in the center of the light. So do I still have a bug? Yes. This one's even smaller than the first bug. Oh my gosh, I gotta figure a way to get him. Oh, he's in the best spot that he's been so far. I just went through 2 baits because they're so small I couldn't get the hook through them correctly. Or I gotta be able to see the bait, right? Don't I? Got him. Yes! Oh yes! Oh my gosh. Oh, this is awesome. This is freaking awesome. Look at him. Oh, self-release. That is, oh, if you can see that, so incredible looking. Clearly the same species. Wow, look at that guy. Oh yeah, open those, oh, gnarly. Oh, look at that. It's freaking awesome. That's the big one. Oh my gosh. He was on fire and wire. He's actually darker now. Or I mean, less colorful now in the tank. He's a little, oh, a little angry. That guy, oh my gosh, what a girl. What a freaking couple of fish. All right, I'm gonna go try to get one of the light color ones and then go to my next spot. I wanna get another spot. I think this is the only darter here. Red lion, red dot, red brain, I don't care. Those darters don't leave. There's the big one, there's the medium one, little, whatever. And that's gonna be the same kind. I want one of these lighter shade. Let her chill a little bit. See if I can get this. I found the nymph, but I could only get his head on there. The body broke apart and the tail went flying. It was a perfect size, but now he's half size. Let's see if I can. He's not darting away. Even a little bit. He's showing a little bit of interest. Got it. Yes! Almost didn't get the net out because I had my hand stuck in my pocket. Oh, and I'm stuck. I think that's a different one. It sure looks different. Look different in the water. I think we got a different one. Oh, there we go. Let's take a look at it. Oh yes, that is definitely a different darter. Yep. Ah. See a little movement, bud. There we go. Any read on the back fins? I don't think so. A little red on the back. That is definitely a different darter, unless gender dimorphism is stark. So, some serious fins. All right, howdy. There's the big man himself, still sitting there. I found a darter. Got a bug on the hook. Barely. Let's see. and get the darter on the hook. Bait is in place. Moving on it. Oh, got him. Yes! Nice. I tell you what, man, the places with only one, with multiple darters have sucked. The places with one darter marked are good. Looks like something I don't have. I don't remember what's supposed to be here. Alright, there's that guy. Oh, wow. Just beautiful. Very distinctive markings. Whatever it is. Nice. Woo. Yeah, he swallowed my Tuxedo hook. Died a hero. And now I'm going to, I don't know, I guess put on another one or head to my next spot. There's only supposed to be one species of darter here. Or at least I only have one marked, and I've never caught one of these. Unless this is the one I caught at the last spot. I don't know. Oh, how beautiful. Nice. Oh man, it's nice. There you go. Alright, my last spot of the night. Found two big darters. There's supposed to be red lines here. Let's see if they're still there. Oh, no, there he goes, darting away. Afraid of the light, apparently. They weren't afraid before. We got a different kind of bug here. There's the darter. I don't know if that's a red line. I've seen a red. Looks like a fantail. A big fantail. I don't know, hope not. It does have stripes. I saw in the water. It's a big bruiser. Alright, let me go try to catch the other one. It's horribly gross, mucky water here. Alright.